Hi, my name is Fatima, and I am here to have English conversations with you. I am a Nigerian native English speaker from the United States. I currently reside in eastern Ukraine where I study general medicine. I hope to work with students who want to perfect their vocabulary, pronunciation, and English speaking skills. Usually, people who are learning English in non English speaking countries don't get to practice conversating as much as they need or want. So, I am here to help those students reach their English speaking goals. As a foreigner in Eastern Ukraine, I know how it feels when it comes to learning a different language. So, I hope to help students polish and perfect their English speaking skills. All right, I hope to have more English conversations with you soon.